What about a helping hand?
So, I am the right choice.
My advanced robotic system is highly efficient to perform complex tasks effortlessly, easy to set up, and simple to integrate into complete robotic systems. I have siblings in different sizes, and even a digital twin. I feel comfortable in all working environments like CPG, automotive, electronics, and I can work in risky environments or just where you don't want to work. Of course, I am always connected, but instead to others, very easy to program. Simply drag and drop the necessary command and create a programming flow. Or you easily can show me movements. There are safety systems designed to work hand in hand with people. I can't wait to support you with your project. Let's get started and build your robotics future together.